morning flight, kiss goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night, where the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me, I've got too much feelings. Maybe you're the one I wanna.
Sa pumili ng Ewas card, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung anong endeavor ang nababagay para sa inyo. I feel here na kung sino man kayo, malungkot kayo sa inyong buhay. At saka marami rin kayong traumatic experience na pinagdaanan sa buhay. And you're here, you could be wondering ano ba yung dapat for you. Baka nalilito pa kayo with regards sa inyong career. That's why you're here. Hugs to all of you. And I feel guys, na iba sa inyo ay nagpo-post something sa social media pero gusto sana sabihin ng Panginoon, umiwas muna kayo sa show and tell, okay? Lalo na kung magulo pa yung isipan ninyo kasi baka mausog kung ano man ang pinopost ninyo. At saka remember na hindi lahat pumapalakpak, yung iba ay may crab mentality issue. So anyway, clarify natin yung cards. I don't know, pero na-sense ko nangangampanya. Interesting, guys. Okay? So far, dahil sa marami kayong pinagdaanan, baka yun yung message nyo. And if nyo dapat ay expressive. No wonder why mahilig kayo mag-post. Okay, pero I feel na yung pagpo-post nyo dapat is more likely about encouragement or about your mission work on earth. Hindi yung sa brag posting. I feel na you will be a preacher someday. I'm not sure if you're aware about it, pero siguro na-observe nyo rin na magaling kayo mag-communicate. Okay? And you're wondering why. So, I'm sensing, yun nga, marami kayong napagdaanan sa inyong buhay. And I'm sensing with this one, yung mangyayari niyan is makaka-survive kayo kung ano man ang pinagdaanan niyo. Kasi, I feel here with the hoping here. So, I feel na medyo motivational speaker kayo kasi malalagpasan nyo tong problema nyo sa buhay and you will encourage others na wag mag-give up to maintain that hope. So, anyway, kaya pala na-sense ko nangangampanya. But nasa sarili nangangampanya na word. But I feel like it's more likely motivating others, to be honest with you. And I'm sensing with this one here, I feel na yung maiging career mo is from rags to riches. Kung wala kang tiwala na mangyayari yan guys, okay? So, umpisa lang na, syempre, wala ka pang narating, syempre, ganito yung tingin ng mga tao. So, what I wanting you to know, na you really have to work very hard para ma-achieve mo to. And trust na someday, ma-achieve mo yan. I feel na yung endeavor mo, guys, is paggawa ng money. Maganda yung focus mo sa career. Yun nga lang, with regards to this one, marami ka nga napagdaanan, so take some time to heal, okay? Don't take yung mga bullies na yan. Wag mo i-take yung kanilang mga sinasabi. Kasi first of all, I really see here na meron ka namang ginagampanan sa ngayon na endeavor siguro. I'm sensing call center or something that has to do with your voice. So, I'm sensing na with regards to endeavor, guys, sinadirect kayo sa mga trabaho na may kinalaman sa pagiging expressive. Can be teacher, can be call center, can be receptionist, and so on. So, I feel here guys, so before you do your mission work, I think na kailangan nyo munang malayo sa mga tao nag-i-stop sa inyo to do these things. Okay, so I feel yung mangyari dito guys is pagkakalooban kayo ng work ng Panginoon, but make sure to save the money for the future para maiwasan nyo yung mga tao na nagtatry na magkaroon na maglagay ng disruption sa inyong buhay. Lalo-lalo na sa career at sa love life din, as you can see here. Kasi I'm sensing na sa ngayon yung buhay mo, isa papaligiran ka ng mga taong nagbebetray sa inyo. I'm not sure if you're aware about it, pero hinahadlangan nila yung iyong growth with regards sa career at ganun din with regards sa paghahanap ng relasyon. So, yung endeavor na mangyayari dito is more on you being authentic and being out there, expressive. Ito siguro yung ayaw mo sa sarili mo na mahilig ka mag-post. Minsan nasasabi mo yung mga bagay na hindi dapat. So, I think yung dapat mong gawin dito, guys, is more likely mag-post kayo if you felt drawn to actually post, especially if it's motivational. Okay, no suggestion ko, and with regards naman sa pagbabrag posting, ilihim nyo na lang. Kasi to be honest, as of now, may mga ahas sa paligid. Kung mahilig talaga kayo mag-share kung ano nangyari sa buhay nyo, then make a scrapbook or pwede rin na i-post pero naka-private lang, para hindi kayo maapektuhan ng mga ahas. So, yun nga, may umahat lang nga sa inyong buhay, kaya madalas may endings sa nangyayari sa inyong career, at madalas kayo mag-isa kasi naapektuhan din si love life. So, yung suggestion sa inyo ng mga anghel, humiwalay ka muna sa mga negative na tao na yan kasi pulos dark yung color sa atin dyan para makuha mo na rin yung iyong love life at ganun din yung talagang career for you. So, yung endeavor mostly is inspirational speaker. Okay, motivational, as we can see here. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na meron kayong mararating sa buhay, but God is reminding you to continuously be humble kasi baka mag-lead yan sa inyo sa pride kung sakaling manarating nyo na yung goals and dreams ninyo. So, sa ngayon, ito yung nararanasan nyo guys na nakastagnan kayo dahil napapaligiran pa kayo ng mga ahas. Okay? So, they want you to break free from this kind of people so that you'll be able to actually meet those people that really cares for you at parang di maapektuhan din yung love life mo. Yan nga, may stagnancy tayo dito. So, God is also wanting you to know that you are definitely somebody na tinawag niya to enlighten people na naligaw sa landas, sa karoon ng stagnancy, mga taong napagdaanan nila yung napagdaanan mo. Okay, yun yung mamimit mo along the way because really destined to actually guide them, to give them hope, motivation, and so on. Some of you, you're destined to be teachers kasi ito yung sa inyo. Okay, I feel hindi kayo makasarili. Kayo talaga ay may caring attitude na talagang makakatulong para sa mga taong definitely nangangailangan. So, pwede rin counselor guys, basta something to do with love. As you can see here. So that will be your endeavor. So you are more on the expressive tone. At the same time, you will be somebody who will do charity work, not by money, but verbally. Okay, expressing yourself. So you have this one in easier way. So, you also got this one. So, meron kayong tao sa buhay nyo na tanggi ng tanggi sa inyong mga karelasyon. Kaya guys, kailangan mong umalis. Kung gusto mo talaga ng love life sa future, then you really have to work on living or living away from toxic people. Save money, to be honest with you. At iwas mo na kayo mag-posting kasi may mga taong tumatawa kung ano man ang pinopost ninyo. We got the gold in reverse and we got the win in easier way. So, kayo napili ng Panginoon dahil hindi kayo cold-hearted, guys. And maybe as of now, you feel like you're somebody who's a loser dahil inutukso kayo ng mga tao sa paligid. But someday, you will win, guys. Nakita mo naman sa reading natin na may mararating kayo, guys. And that will push you to motivate others na kaya din nilang gampanan yung mga, what they call this, success na ma-achieve mo. So, you have this one here. So, sa ngayon, ito yung background mo na maraming ang ahas sa paligid. So, you really have to remove yourself from that kind of people and trust the divine with regards to it. And mapapayo ko lang guys, kung sakali magka-work na kayo, mag-save na kayo ng pera so you'll be able to move out. So, wrong cards, forgive. So, tinan pa natin kung ano pang meron. So, yung endeavor is more likely being expressive, guys. At saka money making din. And helping others. Okay, so I'm not quite sure kung ginagawa mo yung task na yan, but if ever you're still stuck with the wrong people here, you really have to release yourself from these people. Kasi kung di mo i-release yung sarili mo, lagi kang may issue sa pera, tsaka baka i-drain nila yung mga money mo, at hindi lang yun, baka kasi i-brainwash ka pa nila. Okay, baka maka-apekto yan sa yung mental health kasi nakita naman natin, meron na. At it's kinda like pushing you not to be expressive, okay? Tignan natin yung mga karama ng taong ito na nagtatry na gawin kang stagnant, guys. Okay? I feel nakapamilya mo sila. So, mag-ingat kayo. Kaya pala marami kayong napagdaanan. I feel na iba sa inyo pinatrabaho. Okay, nasense ko rin na mabuti kayong tao, guys. Talagang just ang inyong energy. At I really feel na naiyak kayo. Kasi nga, siguro aware na kayo dito. Na gusto nyo talagang umalis kasi merong controlling sa inyong buhay at alam mo na toxic sila. Parang message pa rin ng Panginoon to. So yung kanilang karma, guys, kung sino man yung kanilang binibiktima, lalayo yan someday sa kanila. At saka yung kung nagwa-black magic man yung mga taong yan, actually prone din sila sa bagay na yan na meron din mag-curse sa kanila. Isa sa kanilang karma, guys, you know, you will be aware about things. Kasi I feel na yung nangyari dito is brainwash kayo. Kasi remember, meron tayong card na ganito, naka-reverse kanina, okay? I'm feeling here na hindi nila forever na madidistort yung inyong mind. Okay, based on your traumatic experience as you can see here. So, anyway, yung good news sa inyo, guys, is makakatagpo kayo ng work or endeavor talaga na hilig ninyo at doon kayo magfo-focus as you can see, and you will distance yourself from things that is not serving you. Ngayon, yung karma ng mga taong ito, meron silang actually money issues. Hindi sila maging stable with regards sa kanilang money. At saka naguguluhan sila sa kanilang mindset. Siguro sila yung nag-brainwash ng inyong mind para kung ano nung isipin ninyo or para mabilito yung sarili ninyo. So, yung kanilang karma, guys, kung meron man silang karelasyon, hindi yan magtatagal. Kasi ayaw nila magbagong buhay. So, patuloy na ulit ng ulit yung mga masasamang pangyayari sa kanilang buhay unless they change, okay? So anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Tiwas card, ito yung reading. To be honest with you, agad naramdam ko yung paiki masculine vibe. Okay. I don't know why, pero na-sense ko Scorpio. I feel ko na yung naangkop na trabaho para sa inyo. Okay. So, let's see. Kanang meron. Alright. So, I'm sensing more on laughter vibe. Siguro mahilig kayo magpatawa, talagang joyous yung energy nyo guys, okay? So keep that up, kasi maganda yung energy na nasa-sense ko sa inyo. So far, tinan natin kung nung ND4 yung nababagay sa inyo. So, I'm kinda like feeling yung worry vibe. So, maybe you're worried about your life as of this time. That's why maybe you're here. I feel na iba sa inyo ay aalis. Interesting. Feel another. Okay. So, tinan natin kung ang ND4 yung nababagay for you guys, okay? So, I'm sensing na you really felt drawn to leave. Para may kinalaman siya sa number 1, to be honest with you, pero si 1, hindi pa to ginagawa. I feel na yung 2 is kinda like yung future ni 1. Napalis na kayo at I feel na dahil doon magkakaroon ng changes sa inyong buhay. So, I feel na yung reading mo is more likely ano na mangyari, what now, okay? So anyway, God is wanting you to know na you're divinely guided and protected as well, and remain na maging close sa Kanya. Mag-trust kayo, and I feel na similar with number 1. To be honest, you are actually destined to actually break free from your silence and inspire others, and to I feel na laughter, to be honest. Laughter is the best medicine. So, I feel na endeavor na para sa inyo guys is kinda like become, hindi naman clown guys, but I would say na talagang motivational. Talagang papasayin niyo yung mga taong malulungkot, what do you call this? Kasi napagdaanan nyo yung mga bagay-bagay na mabigat. Okay? And ito yung mag-i-inspire sa mga tao. And I'm feeling with this one as well na naghanap kayo ng kalinga kasi I feel na matagal na panahon na talaga kayo hindi expressive dahil sa mga tao sa inyong paligid. But you definitely care for others, okay? And let's see what else do we have here. Some of you are meant to be teachers or preachers, to be honest with you. And God is wanting to know na yung endeavor mo is more likely breaking free from silence. Okay? Kasi nga, siguro ito yung mga fear mo na baka na ito yung iniisip mo na ayaw makinig sa'yo ng mga tao kasi ganito yung nangyari sa'yo before. Tapos, siguro noon wala kayong pera kaya ayaw kayong pakinggan or mababa yung tingin sa'yo. Sorry ka na sorry. So, I feel na what will happen here is you will break free from kung ano man ang meron ka dati. Or kung ano ka before na hindi makapag-express, hindi ka pwede maging sarili mo, and so on. So, darating ang panahon na you will be actually doing what you want to do for a long period of time. Okay, kasi matagal na panahon ka na na-silence sa mga tao sa paligid, lalo na sa family as you can see here. But you could be wondering kung bakit with regards sa career, lagi kang dinadala, if na comedy show, iba sa inyo, or baby influencer, kasi you really is destined to be there. Okay, to motivate others. And I feel with this one as well, so madalas kayo mag-alala with regards sa mga taong galit sa inyo. So yung mangyari dito guys, iwasan yung isipin lagi yung haters ninyo. Isipin mo yung mga supportive na tao sa inyo. Kasi I really feel here, ito yung endeavor na dapat meron kayo is more likely being an influencer, being out there for others, and understanding people. If people doesn't understand you, I feel na you will be a great, what do you call this, counselor for others too. So, anyway, yun nga, meant to be kayo na maging influencer. Di naman nakabase yan sa nakasulat dito. Pero it's more likely pinapakita ng cards natin na you will be fighting your fears to be out there. Okay, ganun yung vibe. Magbe-break free ka sa silence. And you will have an audience, okay? So that will definitely support you. So, huwag kayong mahihiya, guys. At saka, kung magkakaroon kayo ng work, masyado yung focus sa inyong pananalita at saka pipilitin talaga kayo mawala yung hiya ninyo. Siguro napapansin mo rin yan sa paghanap ng trabaho, laging sa ganyan ka napupunta. It's actually those things na actually mag-enhance sa inyong talent of expression. Which is nice, guys, okay? So, ito yung inyong vibe na everything is okay. So, you will motivate others. Definitely, that will be your endeavor. So, you have the harm in either way. We also got this one. So, don't doubt yourself because you're really meant to be an influencer. So you have this one in reverse, and we also got the chase. So they want you to chase after your goals and your dreams. Huwag mo masyadong pansinin yung mga haters mo, guys. Because look at that, you do have a kind heart. Yung endeavor mo talaga, guys, is makatulong sa inyong kapwa. Tsaka actually maging there for people na nalulungkot. At tsaka, yun nga, magpapaligaya sa mga tao para maiwasan yung mga tendency na may mangyari, diba? So, that is actually your task here on earth. And the divine wants you to trust the process kasi you're getting there na makaalis sa toxicity. So, continuously do that, guys. Okay? We also have the T here. And I'm sensing, guys, okay? Now, with that iba siguro sa inyo, depende talaga sa pag-influensya nyo, guys. Siguro iba sa inyo, parang nag-chismis or something, but yet I feel na in a good manner, like, it's kinda like more on comedy is what I sense. Pero gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na take it lightly, okay? Kasi baka nakakasakit na rin kapag sobra sa chismis. So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Siguro mahilig kayo sa chismis, parang yun yung entertainment ninyo. I don't know, but yeah, you're really destined to be out there to express and to have fun is what I sense, okay? So as long as you're having fun, pero guys, okay, take note, wala dapat nasaktan. So anyway, ito yung inyong cards pa. So endeavor definitely is being out there kasi ito yung magfulfill ng inyong emotions and you will manage to break free from your haters or people that are harming your heart, as you can see here. So I feel that this is what you're learning so far. You will let go of toxic people in your life, as you can see here. I feel like online job, to be honest with you. So I feel like your endeavor mo is more likely being out there, pero mag-aantay ka ng I'm not sure kung ilang months or years, pero antayin mo mag-grow yung channel or yung following mo. As you can see here, I feel like you're really destined to be out there because you do have a kind heart. Yun nga lang, hindi mo alam kung paano mag-start kasi konti lang yung money mo. Okay, so, suggestion ko lang guys, kung mag-i-start kayo ng channel, wag kayo agad mag-invest sa mga mamahaling mga gadgets, okay? Invest kayo talaga sa alam mo talagang gagamitin mo guys. At saka, yun nga, yung importante talaga is yung voice. To be honest, dapat it will be heard if ever you will be out there. At saka, definitely kung anong what you call this, kung na yung topic, diba? So, I think what's going on here, kaya siguro kayo nandito kasi madalas kayo mawalan ng work. Okay, kasi first of all guys, kung you're really destined to be out there, being expressive and so on, yun yung binigay sa yung tasang Panginoon. Yung ibang mga work na nag-work ka sa company and so on, it will fail kasi God is pushing you to do your mission work na for others, okay? So, kung meron ng timing na parang pinupush nyo kayong gawin yung mission nyo, gawin nyo na yung mission nyo. Kasi so far, yung mission mo guys is magpaligaya ng mga tao if ever you're in this comedian phase or entertainment phase. Pero yun pa naman sa inyo, not necessarily being a comedian, but I feel like being out there for people na talagang kailangan ng emotional guide, okay? Anyway, tingnan natin kung ano yung karma ng mga tao na nagtatry feel na meron talaga nagtatry na pabagsakin ka, pero hindi ka lang talaga nakafocus sa mga taong yun. Kasi nakalaya ka na eh. Pero tingnan natin kung may karma ba sila. I feel na masaya ka na sa buhay mo dahil wala na yung mga taong to. Parang hindi mo rin na iniisip na magkakarma sila and so on. So I really like your energy, guys. I don't really feel that revengeful vibe in you, which is nice. So for guys, yung kanilang karma is actually makakatagpo sila ng mga taong kagaya nila na hindi mapagmahal, hindi mapag-aruga. So someday, lalabas ang katotohanan kung ano yung mga ginawa nila sa inyo at hindi sila may masaya sa kanilang buhay, hindi sila peaceful. As you can see, isa sa kanilang karma, guys, I have to see you in this way na nasa high position or influencer, tsaka marami talagang tao yung nakikinig sa inyo, because let me remind you na yung ginawa nila sa inyo is ganito, na kapag magsasalita ka, hindi sila makikinig. Ito kasi yung malungkot. Kasi guys, kung wala kayo narating sa buhay, may mga taong ganyan na hindi na kayo papakinggan, which is definitely sad, okay? So, I'm sensing na mararanasan din nila yan. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, guys, meron magbebetray sa kanila. Yung magbebetray sa kanila is maglalabas ang katotohanan about them, which will push people that are loving and supportive to be away from them. Kasi first of all, whomever this is, guys, who hurt you in the past, are not really good people, they are toxic, so kaya iiwan din sila ng ibang tao maliban lang sa inyo. Really depends kung iwanan mo sila, but I really feel na lalayo ka sa kanila. Okay, so anyway, that's it, guys, with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng Ingwas card, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung anong endeavor ang nababagay para sa inyo. I feel na naguguluhan ka with regards sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo kasi I'm kinda like feel like a very vibe. Iba sa niyan para may kinalaman siya sa 1 and 2. Pero tinan na rin natin. Kasi I feel na mayroon na ikialam sa inyong buhay. Kaya parang din nyo alam din kung saan kayo patutungo sa inyong buhay. Pero I feel na pinaprotektahan naman kayo ng Panginoon. Kasi I felt drawn to this. Tapos to parang protection. So you can see here. Very interesting, guys. Okay. So, sabi ng mga anghel, you're destined to be somebody na may gawin for this world. At I feel na yung endeavor nyo ay susibol. Feel na naiyak kayo kasi you never thought this will happen someday. Kasi I feel na matagal mo na talagang hinihintay na yung glow up na yan or yung talagang timing with regards sa career. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. I feel like you will be blessed with more money and income in the future. I feel like learn to be expressive is what I sense. Meron kayong mga judgmental na tao sa inyong paligid. Kaya siguro nag-iingat kayo ng mga sasabihin nyo or kung ano man. Kasi I really feel na parang meron kayong tinataguan na tao sa inyong buhay. I feel na kung sino man sila, guys, alam mo na binetray ka nila. That's the reason why na parang nagtatago ka na lang. Ngayon, tinan natin kung ano yung endeavor. So far, yung endeavor nyo, guys, is may kinalaman sa gusto ng Panginoon for you. I think that you do have an idea what it is. Okay, because God showed it to you definitely by dreams or maybe by signs already. But yet, I'm sensing with this one, guys, okay? So, yung endeavor na nararapat para sa inyo is being authentic, being true and honest. I feel like with the third party being here, so you could be somebody na naiyak ka kasi ang hirap ng task mo. Kasi I feel like this third party, it just mean na siguro merong tao nagsasabi ng kasinungalingan, ikaw ay nagsasabi ng totoo, yung nasa gitna, nalilito, kung sino yung pakikinggan. Okay, yung nasa sense ko dito. So yung endeavor mo is more likely enlightenment for others na naguguluhan kung sino yung pagkakatiwalaan or kung kanino makikinig. See? May kinalaman din yan dito. So, anyway, ito kasi yung destined mo na gawin. You're destined to be out there para maiwasan yung ganitong energy na naguguluhan yung mga tao. You're definitely guiding them towards the truth, towards authenticity, guys. Okay? Because I really feel like you really care for others, and I feel like you're also someone that's authentic. Kaya kapag may nagsisinungaling, talagang big deal yan sa inyo. At gusto ni God yung ganong attitude mo, kaya pinagbigay kayo ng ganitong, what we call this, ganitong trabaho. Iba siguro sa inyo ay judge or can be lawyers as well. Lagi kayo nandun sa tama, okay? And I feel na naiyak ka kasi ang hirap ng trabaho mo. Okay, and I feel here na gusto sabihin sa inyo ng Panginoon, nung may isipin na mga tao lahat ay nag-hate sa inyo. Actually, minamahal ka ng mga tao dahil dinadirect mo sila sa tamang landas. At saka, I feel na you will definitely have loyal people around you that supports you. Tsaka, mamahalin ka because you are somebody that's really authentic and honest. So, anyway, ito yung gusto nilang ipaalam sa inyo na by you doing your mission work, magdadala yan sa inyo ng kayamanan as you can see here. At walang kayong papadala sa tukso or sa mga tao talaga na gusto kang bayaran para mag-sway ways. Okay, I feel na this is kinda like a test of heaven for you kung papadala ka sa mga ganyang opportunity. Pero God is reminding you to focus on what God wants for you and not to focus on people's agenda, okay? So, anyway, ito pa yung iba nyong cards. So, I was saying na yung, sa sense ko, agenda, okay? So, meron nga may hidden agenda sa inyo na pinapatigil kayo magsalita kasi nakita niya na nagkakaroon ka ng winning or kayo yun na yung pinapakinggan ng mga tao, kaya niya i-bribe ka, attempt niya i-bribe ka. So, sana hindi kayo mag-fail sa test sa inyo, mag-focus kayo sa dapat nyong gawin. So, yung endeavor definitely is caring for others and actually telling people what is the truth. And I feel like with a beautiful being here, so I feel na ma-maintain yung image ninyo, to be honest with you. You will definitely have a good reputation if you will not fall into their trap of trying to actually suhulan ka. So, wag sana magpasuhol, guys. Okay? Kasi ito yung iyong trabaho. Okay? Na I really feel na yun nga, sinuko ka ng Panginoon para mag-express ang katotohanan, guys. At saka, I really feel here that you also have this protective vibe na proprotektahan mo kung sino yung naapektuhan ng mga kasinungalingan. I'm sensing na kala mo hindi kaangat, pero I would say na angat din yung channel mo, yung following or kung ano man yan, basta nandun kayo sa tama. Yung lagi mong isipin, guys, if ever you will accept a bribe or something, it will just benefit you in a short run. Pero kasi pag long run, mas mainam na magsabi ka ng katotohanan kasi masisira talaga yung reputasyon mo sa oras na may bahid ka na ng nagawang mali. Okay? So, importante talaga yung magandang reputasyon din para din kayo umangat. As you can see, at patuloy ang pagsibol ng karera, okay? So, you're definitely a truth speaker as your endeavor, okay? So, we have this one in reverse. We also have your destiny is being an influencer, guys. Being a guide to others para maiwasan silang maniwala sa mga tao na sinungaling or ahas. So, you're definitely a guide for people. We also have break an egg here. So, yun nga lang mahirap si work. Kasi alangan din, syempre, yung buhay mo, nakataya din. Lalo na kung yung nakabangga mo is somebody talaga na may gagawin, diba? So, continuously be brave at huwag kayong masindak sa mga tao na yan. Okay? Because we should be afraid of God and not these people, you know? We also got our gateway in reverse. We also have this one here. So, I'm feeling, guys, na mahirap ngayong pagdadaanan nyo. Because you are a truth speaker, but yet you will definitely become rich someday. Okay, so sa umpisa lang mahirap, guys. So you have the karma in reverse, and we also got the abuse in either way. So I feel na yung endeavor mo, guys, i-expose mo yung mga tao na abusive. I feel na isa sa karma ng mga taong abusive na yan, na sinasabi mo, kasi may pinagtatanggol ka and so on, I feel na yung karma nila ay ma-expose. Ikaw yung kanilang karma. Kasi sinasabi mo yung kanilang mga nagawang mali. Okay? So, yun nga, I feel na babaliktad din yung sitwasyon, yun yung nabanggit nila. If ever you failed, if ever you lose, kasi maraming naniniwala sa mali, someday, guys, babagsak din kung sino man yung nakagawa talaga ng mali. At saka yung based on your reading, guys, sa 50-50 pa rin. Really depends on you kung tatanggap kayo na suhol or hindi. Pero sana, guys, so kayo tumanggap na suhol, patuloy nyo sanang gawin yung nararapat, okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron dito. So, speaking of, may nakikinig na isa sa mga truth speaker. Anyway, so ganun yung gagawin nyo, guys. Magsasalita kayo. Okay? Anyway, ito yung iba pang cards natin. So, I would say na yun nga may panahon na malungkot kayo sa inyong ginagawa kasi first of all, focus kayo sa mga kamalian na gawa ng mga taong di mabubuti. Okay? So, hindi nyo matatakasan itong trabaho nyo kasi yun yung destined for you. But yet, yun nga, meron kayong mapapabagsak is what I sense. Yung mga tao siguro na masama or rebelde kung ano man yan. And I'm sensing here na yung magpapaligaya sa inyo is actually creating a change is what I sense. Change of perspective. I feel na maraming maniniwala sa inyo kasi people will definitely be aware na you're speaking the truth. Not because of yourself, but because of, you care about others. Kahit na mahirap. Okay? So, anyway, tingnan naman natin kung ano yung karma ng mga taong ito na nilalapanan ninyo kasi napansin ko, guys, you're against somebody here in the picture. So, another, they mentioned to me, I feel na walang angkop na trabaho. Interesting. Okay, so baka nahilig nyo na talaga magsalita. Okay. So, yun ang endeavor na pwede sa inyo, guys. Definitely to speak. But remember, speak the truth. And be always in the right direction, ha? Okay, wag kayong maging masamang guide sa mga tao. Tingnan natin yung karma ng mga taong ito. So, yung mga taong yan guys, hindi tatagal yung kanilang trono, tsaka if na maubos yung kanilang kayamanan, whether they like it or not. So, isa rin sa kanilang karma guys, sa mga tao sa kanilang buhay ay magsisinungaling. Akala nila walang problema sa ganito at ganyan. Pero mapapansin na lang bigla na may nangyayari na behind the scenes at huli na para sa kanila para i-stop kung ano man ito. Okay, isa sa kanilang karma guys, yun nga sila rin. Yung mga tao sa kanilang paligid ay sinungaling din kasi first of all, sila ay nagsisinungaling, diba? So, ganun din na mangyari sa kanilang paligid, puno ng mga ahas at sinungaling na mga tao na hindi mapagmahal. Isa sa kanilang karma guys, mananatili ka sa iyong trono at hindi lang yun, magkakaroon ka rin ng pera. Kahit nasabihin natin na matagal ang dating ng pera, pero at least tumarating yung pera sa inyo. If ever you are actually in the right direction. Pero let me remind you please, wag pasuhol. So, isa rin sa kanilang karma guys, ay mamalas-malasin sila pagdating sa career o kaya sa mga nangyari sa kanilang buhay. Ito yung maganda sa mangyayari, masasaktan sila kasi napapansin nila na patuloy ka nagsasalita at saka dahil yung mga tao nag-believe sa inyo, nanatili sila sa inyong channel, following kung ano man yan, nanatili kayo sa trono nyo. So, magkakaroon kayo ng stability because you continuously doing kung ano man ang calling ninyo. Sila naman, dahil nga patuloy ka nagsasalita, magkakaroon sila ng stress about it at parang patuloy nila sana na gusto kang patahimikin kasi nga, ayaw nila na malaman ng mga tao yung totoo about them. Kasi I feel here, yung kanilang karma guys, hindi sila magkakaroon ng peace of mind, lagi sila mag-aalala na ma-expose. Tapos I really feel here, takot din sila na lumutang yung istorya na hindi pala sila mabuti, etc. So, I feel na whether they like it or not, yung karma nila guys, may kita ng mga tao kung sino talaga sila, hindi sila mabuti. Isa rin sa kanilang karma guys, madalas silang magkasakit or may mangyari sa kanila to pin them down, to contemplate that whatever that they're doing is wrong. Iba naman sa kanila baka makulong kung meron man silang kaso, to be honest. At saka with this one in reverse, so I'm sensing here na dahil dito sa panghihina nila, hindi na nila magagawa na magtakip ng katotohanan. Okay, so anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili na sa Willow card, ito niyo reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung endeavor na nababagay sa inyo. And sasin na kayo yung tao na marami kayong kinahilikan. Okay? Masyado kayong talented, kaya kayo nalilito. I feel na mini-wish mo na sana masagot, okay, pero I'm kinda like worried kasi nasa sense ko guys, maraming istorya dito. Kasi halos pareho, 1, 2, and 3 parang pareho na istorya, pero ito medyo naiba siya. I feel here na you have to let go of your worry, fears, anxiety, kasi that is definitely holding you back to push forward sa inyong endeavor. Kasi kung naman ang endeavor na yan, it's definitely something that you really want to do ever since guys that you are little. Actually, maganda yan kapag let's say yung negosyo mo, yung career mo talaga, ayan ang gusto mong gawin. So, yung suggestion ko lang sa inyo guys, since alam mo yung hilig mo, why not push forward to it? Kasi, yun yung maganda na gawin mo yung napapaligaya sa inyo, diba? So, anyway, i-clarify natin, alright? Nasense ko yung kantang The Flame. Let's see. Actually, love song yun. Na may duet na, what do you call this? Meron siyang duet na version, meron din siya yung hindi duet. Okay, so, kalimutan ko na kung sinong kumanta. So, anyway, ito yung cards. Okay, search for it. Okay, tingnan natin kung nag-resonate ba sa inyong reading. So far naman, ito yung kailangan mong gawin, guys. Iwasan nyo yung mindset na mag-hold back sa inyo. Kasi I really feel here na meron talaga kayong gustong gawin eh. Alam nyo na kung ano yun, kung ano yung passion ninyo. So I'm sensing yung endeavor na nababagay for you is something na minahal mo matagal na. Hindi naman to literally na about sa jowa. I feel na it's more likely kung ano talaga yung hilig mo. Kasi I really feel since talaga yun ang hilig mo, doon mo ilaan yung negosyo na bagay talaga sa inyo. Kung saan kayo magaling, guys. Doon yung ilagay yung yung gusto mong gawin talaga, you go after it, guys. Kasi, to be honest with you, ito yung ginagawa ng Panginoon sa ngayon, na God is definitely encouraging you to go after your goals and your dreams. Kasi ito yung inyong energy, na naguguluhan kayo, nakaupo kayo, ayaw nyo mag-go after it. So, what you need to do here is take an action, little by little, guys. Kasi, ito yung energy, okay? So far naman, kung nung endeavor man yun, I think it's definitely what you really like to do. I feel it's more likely being expressive or being out there. So, wag din kayo mahiya, okay? Kasi maybe some of you, you're introverts, okay? But, you know, wag mo masyadong isipin yung mga bagay-bagay, okay? What you need to do here is go after what you want. At kung kailangan mo pag-aralan, then go study about it because that's what you're passionate about. As you can see here, and I'm sensing, ito rin siguro yung nag-hold back sa inyo, is yung matrabaho. So, hindi pa kayo nag-uumpisa sa ginagawa nyo, guys. Marami na kayong iniisip. So, yung gawin nyo, iwasan nyo yung ganitong stressful mindset, guys. Okay? Yung gawin nyo, mag-focus kayo sa gusto nyong mangyari. And make an effort, make an action. Okay? So, anyway, look at this one. So, I feel na meron naman mga tao na susuportan ng inyong gawa. Siguro yung kinakatakot mo dito, guys, is wala magtatangkili kung ano man ang gusto mong gawin. But I will say, there will be people who will enjoy your work at meron ka rin mga tao na susuporta talaga sa inyo. If you know with regards sa family, yes, there will be supportive people around you. It's just your mindset that's negative in this reading. So, definitely, kung naman na endeavor na yan, it will be something that you're really passionate about at saka yung talaga magpapaligaya sa inyo, guys. Okay, so anyway, so this is your sign, okay? Go after it, whatever you have in your mind. Basta hilig nyo, ha? Wag ko kopya-kopya ng hilig ng iba. So, we got the poor in his way. So, siguro nag-aalala kayo, guys, na baka hindi umasenso, gastos, and so on. So, kung nag-aalangan kayo sa money, guys, make sure na you save money for it. So, just take baby steps muna. Pero at least, you know, you're going after your goal, right? So, this one is in easier way, and we also got this one. So, yung gawin mo lang talaga is mag-push forward sa kung ano man ang gusto mong gawin. So, we got the best of friends. So, there's definitely people that will definitely wake you up to come to your senses na kaya mo yan. Okay? So, isa na tong reading na to, nagsasabing kaya mo yan. Okay? Push na ng push. So, wala namang red flag. Walang red flag, guys. Ito lang yung mindset mo na iniisip mo na, baka walang bumili, baka this, baka that. Naku, huwag mo isipin yan, guys. At saka, suggestion ko lang, ha? Baka kasi iba sa inyo, naghihintay kayo ng mga friends na tutulong sa inyo, guys. Huwag mo isipin yun. Actually, mas better sana kung ikaw yung mag-push ng negosyo. Ba't ko nasabi? Kasi guys, dati naranasan ko rin yan. Akala ko magkakaroon kami ng negosyo ng friend ko. Pero alam mo yung nangyari, walang umaksyon. Guys, yung ginawa ko na lang, I made something. Okay? So, yun na lang yung gawin nyo. Kung ayaw nang gawin ng mga barkada mo, then go. And believe in yourself na lang na kaya mo. Okay? So, we got the picture in either way. We have the ghost in reverse. Kasi kung maghintayin kayong barkada, walang mangyayari dyan, guys. Okay? So, mind as well, kung ayaw nilang kumilos, edi kumilos kayo. Parang lang yan yung mga leadership sa school, na yung leader yung gumagawa, pero yung mga members tamad. Parang ganun ba? Pero guys, kung ganun yung nangyayari sa inyong grupo, wag na lang. Maganda, ikaw na lang mag-isa talaga yung magsolo sa negosyo. Okay, total yan naman talaga yung hilig mo. Why not push forward towards it, diba? So, you have the mess here in reverse. We also have this moon in either way. So, I'm sensing with this one. Okay, so far naman yung mess lang is yung inyong mind. Okay, it's more on mind energy. See, take it easy, guys. Okay, kasi I really feel na yung ND4 nyo ay easy lang. Kasi yan talaga yung hilig mo. Alam mo na yung pasikot-sikot dyan. Alam mo na yung dapat gawin. Yung kailangan mo lang talaga is gawa. Diba? To go after it. So, you got the wonderful in either way. We also got the fake in either way. My gosh, walas to sa mind mo. And we have the here, okay? So, for mangyayari dito, guys, is magdadala yung Panginoon ng mga tao sa inyong buhay that will encourage you to go after whatever you have in your mind. Yung problem lang kasi natin dito is, iba siguro sa inyo ayaw nyo makinig, yung iba siguro sa inyo nasa headspace lagi, na naglalagay ng what ifs. Hanggang sa di na kayo kumilos, so iwasan nyo yun. Okay, iwasan yung negative thinking. Kasi I feel like with this reading, guys, it's kind of like a go signal with you. Right? Anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel na naguguluhan ka pa rin ka ng ND4. Basta ko na yung hilig mo, guys, at saka yung talagang gamay mo nang gawin. Okay, yun yung nasa sense ko. Kung marami kang choices, guys, okay, basta yung pinakagamay mo na at saka talaga yung nag-e-enjoy kang gawin. Yun yung piliin mo. Wag yung napilitan lang, ha? Dapat talaga something that you enjoy doing, okay? Another dimension to me. I feel na some of you want third-party suggestions. But make sure, guys, ask to the right person, not to the wrong ones, okay? So, anyway, let's see what we have here. So, we got this one. So, anyway, guys, okay, yung dapat na para sa inyong endeavors, definitely something na magpapaligaya sa inyo. Something has to do with childhood thing, because some of you, yun yung hilig nyo. Kung ano man yung meron kayo nung child kayo or talagang ginawa niyo na noon pero hindi niyo lang alam kung paano ipupush. So, I think some of you need to have a teacher or some tutorials para actually marekon kung ano man yung endeavor na yan, kung paano gawin. Kasi ito yung magpo-fulfill ng inyong emotional fulfillment, guys. At saka yung maganda dito, guys, is kikita kayo as you can see here. At makaka-attract din kayo ng mga tao na talagang gusto yung ginagawa ninyo. Kasi I'm sensing with this one as well na alam mo na itong gawin kung ano man ang ND4 na yan. Yun nga lang, dito kayo nag-worry yung pera. So, iwasan nyo masyadong maging kontrabida sa inyong buhay. Kasi, to be honest with you, once that you go after it, kikita naman kayo. Okay, so, pakawalan nyo yung sarili nyo sa negative mindset. Okay, so si ND4 is somebody na gusto mo talagang gawin. somebody, something na gusto mo talagang gawin, something na talagang hilig mo, at saka something talaga na alam mo na rin, okay? Kung paano yung mga pasikot-sikot dyan. So, go ahead. Do it, guys. Wala kayong padalos-dalos kung wala kayong money for it, and start saving money for it, okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys. And God bless all of you.